Crafty Karl here, and I am standing in front of the All-Canadian Moving Systems Trucking History Museum. This is something that is so incredible. You've never seen anything like this before, and I'm going to take you inside and just give you a sneak peek of what's coming to my channel. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. Be ready to just be amazed. Look at this. There's no other museum like this in North America. The gentleman that owns this place, he's traveled all across our continent, and he has never seen anything like it. Look at the models in here. There's thousands and thousands of incredibly built scale model trucks. Freightliner section. The international section. The Kenworth section, my favorite. Just had the 100-year anniversary of Kenworth. Look at these trucks. Look at this. Look at this. All 1/16 scale Peterbilts. And here's the Peterbilt section. You could walk through this place 100 times and not remember seeing all of it. And over the next few months, I'm going to show all of you every single model in here. And you're going to be blown away. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Karl's Scale Model Showcase. And what did I say in that big update? Look at that. My models, what an honor. I was asked to bring my models to this place, to the All-Canadian Moving Systems Trucking History Museum. It is literally Karl's Scale Model Showcase. There's the Pete, the 352, the W900, and there we are. We've got some big stuff in store coming this year. It's going to be great.